Well, I'm in the box with Minx's puppies, and here's Minx just never wanting to leave them. They're starting to get interactive. This right here is the little girl. I can tell because she's got the white ear. Yes, what are you doing? Little boy. Hello. Oh, you can tell they're starting to really move around, getting their legs under them. Hey, guy. Little guy. Look at you. He's wagging his tail. I'm ready to play. Little Snoopy. Yes, you are ready to play. You sure are. Look at that. Look at that. Look at him. He's so cute. Look at that. These puppies have the prettiest heads. Look at that underjaw. They all have that. Yes. Come on, show them your face. Show them your face. Here's the other two. Deciding it's dinner even though they've had breakfast 20 times. Yeah. Oh, Minx, you're so good. Yeah, hello there, baby. Hello there, baby. Hello, dear. Come over here. Come over here so we can see you. Yeah, so we can see you guys. Yeah. I like your tummy rubs. They love tummy rubs. Yeah, they do. You love tummy rubs? Do ya? Let's get him all fired up. Okay, get yourself all fired up there, buddy. He gets really cute. He goes hopping around, trying to play. Okay. Here's the other boy, checking out that toy. See, they have puppy pads now. Decided now that they're up and really walking around, it's time to introduce them to potty pads. Yeah, what are you doing? What you got in your mouth? What you got in your mouth, huh? What do you have in your mouth? You got a full belly, that's for sure. Look at that. Minx is such a good mother. By this time, Queenie was hitting the road, but Minx, she still cleans them. I mean, the litter box, the whelping box or pen is incredibly clean. I can't ever find anything in it other than little pee spots. I'm hoping not to start them on food for another week because they're being fed so well, getting their immunity from their mom, that I'm going to let them feed from her as long as they can. Till she decides she doesn't want to feed them. So they just turned 3 weeks old 4 days ago on Wednesday, and it's Sunday today, the 10th of April. Now they are big puppies. The largest boy is 5.5 pounds. The other two boys are 5.125 pounds, 82 ounces. And then the girl is 4.5 pounds. So these are very, very substantial puppies. I don't think that means they're going to be big dogs when they grow up. They should kind of drop those layers of fat when they get up and they start moving around. But they're definitely well fed. I hear a puppy fight in the other room. Queenie's puppies. Hey, little girl. What do you think about this? Let's see. Let's see how she responds. Oh, look at that. Okay. Well, you can see there's some response to toys. Hey, little baby. He says, I'm eating. Okay. Well, they should get more exciting as each day goes by.